In a small village, there lived a young doctor named Ahmed. He worked in a tiny clinic near the market. The clinic was simple, but Dr. Ahmed treated every patient with kindness and respect. People trusted him because he always listened carefully to their problems. One rainy evening, an old man named Karim came to the clinic. He looked weak and tired. His clothes were wet from the rain, and he was coughing badly. Dr. Ahmed quickly helped him sit down. What happened to you, Uncle Karim? The doctor asked. Gently, the old man replied, Doctor, I have been sick for many days. I did not come earlier because I had no money for treatment. Dr. Ahmed smiled warmly and said, Your health is more important than money. Do not worry about the fee. The doctor checked Karim carefully. He gave him medicine and advised him to rest and drink warm soup. Before the old man left, Dr. Ahmed also gave him an umbrella because the rain was getting heavier. Days passed, and Karim slowly became healthy again. One morning, he returned to the clinic with fresh fruits from his garden. Dr. Ahmed, he said with tears in his eyes, you treated me like family when everyone else ignored me. I can never forget you. Kindness, Dr. Ahmed replied. A doctor's duty is not only to give medicine, but also to give hope. The villagers heard about the doctor's kindness and respected him even more. They realized that true greatness comes from helping others with a sincere heart. After that day, Uncle Karim often visited the clinic, not because he was sick, but because he wanted to help Dr. Ahmed. Every morning, he cleaned the waiting area and offered water to patients. The small clinic slowly became a place filled with hope and care. One afternoon, a worried woman rushed into the clinic carrying her little daughter. The child had a very high fever and could barely open her eyes. The mother was crying. Please save my daughter, doctor, she begged. Dr. Ahmed quickly checked the child. He worked calmly and gave her proper treatment. He stayed beside her for hours, making sure her fever went down. Uncle Karim comforted the mother and brought warm tea for her. Late at night, the little girl finally opened her eyes and smiled weakly. Her mother became emotional with happiness. Thank you, Dr. Ahmed, she said. I had lost all hope. Dr. Ahmed replied softly, Never lose hope. Sometimes care and patience are the best medicines. News of the doctor's dedication spread to nearby villages. Many people came to meet the doctor who treated rich and poor people equally. Even children admired him because he always spoke kindly, encouraged them to study and stay healthy. One day, the village leader visited the clinic. He was impressed by Dr. Ahmed's hard work and decided to help expand the small clinic into a bigger hospital. The villagers happily worked together to build new rooms, buy beds, and arrange medical supplies. When the new hospital opened, Dr. Ahmed stood quietly at the entrance, watching the smiling faces around him. Uncle Karim stood beside him proudly. "You changed this village," Karim said. Dr. Ahmed smiled and answered, "No, we changed it together." The new hospital soon became famous in nearby towns. Patients traveled from far away because they trusted Dr. Ahmed and his team. Although the hospital was now bigger and busier, Dr. Ahmed remained humble. He still greeted every patient with a smile and listened to them patiently. One winter night, a strong storm hit the village. Heavy rain flooded the roads, and electricity went out across the area. Most people stayed inside their homes, frightened by the thunder and wind. Suddenly, there was a loud knock at the hospital door. A young boy stood outside, completely soaked from the rain. He was breathing heavily. "Dr. Ahmed," he cried, "please come quickly. My mother is very sick and she cannot move." Without wasting a second, Dr. Ahmed grabbed his medical bag. Uncle Karim tried to stop him. "The storm is dangerous," Karim warned, but Dr. Ahmed replied, "A doctor cannot ignore someone in need." As years passed, Dr. Ahmed's kindness continued to inspire the village. The hospital became not only a place for treatment, but also a symbol of hope, compassion, and unity for everyone.